This is what is happening right now. It is happening right now. My apartment is getting flooded. My apartment is getting flooded right now. It is being flooded. My things are being ruined. Oh God. Yes. This is happening right now. Sunday. Oh God, it's everywhere. I'm taping this so they can see this. It's every fucking where, everything's getting ruined. Oh God. Oh.
Damn it.
My neighbor Bill is here. He can attest that this is happening right now. Oh God. Oh. Oh. It's Sunday afternoon, July 26th, I think, and the roof is leaking everywhere. Everywhere. Oh God. My furniture, everything. Oh God. I'm going to turn this off now. Wait, let me just show them what you're emptying out of this pot right now. This is just from about 5 minutes. This pot full of water is about 5 minutes of dirty water that my neighbor Bill is now emptying out of this pot. In 5 minutes of rain. You got to do something about this roof.